back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe and comment when done. Today I'm going to be putting my beauty blender in the microwave, and I seen Alondra do this and I saw it on Instagram, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is my beauty blender. You can see it's hella dirty. So all you gotta do is take a cup and then fill it with some water. Put some dishwashing liquids. Ow, and okay, so like that, and then put your beauty blender. You're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So it's just done. 1 minute, and now I'm gonna leave it to cool. So after I rinsed it out properly with cold water, it kind of, well, it did get clean as it was so dirty. It took me a while to rinse it out, but it was actually better to put it in the microwave for 1 minute than wash it, and it wouldn't even be clean as this. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment what you want to see, subscribe, turn on your bell button, and tell your friends about me. So stay tuned for more beauty tips, life hacks, and well, beauty hacks. And I'll be back